Today we are going to unbox Jada Big Time Muscle 1969 Chevy Camaro. It's a toy, as you can see. Pretty strong box. I don't know how I'm gonna open this thing. Look at this thing. It's a green Camaro. Okay, let's open this. That's pretty strong plastic. Oh god. Wow. Maybe I should cut this thing up. I don't know. Boy. This thing is hard, man. Come on, car, come out. Ow. Oh god. This is American muscle car and American muscle plastic packaging. This is pretty strong. Alright. I think it's going to come out now. Oh, finally. Let's put this on. Oh wow, look at this, pretty good, cool and shiny. And it says Jada Toys Scale 1 by 64 1969 Chevy Camaro SS. Pretty cool. It got some interior also. Let's see how it's drive. Oh, come on, focus, man. This thing won't focus. Really? Why it isn't focusing? Oh, come on, man. Don't like the Camaro? My phone don't like Camaro. It like Ford Mustang more. It's a pretty cool car. There we go. Beep beep. Yeah. Kind of wobbling. But it's pretty cool. Alright, so this is it. I hope you like it.